In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the price range tool in Tradingview to measure price movements quickly and accurately. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and load any chart. Once you're inside the chart workspace, look at the left side of your screen where the Drawing Tools panel is located. Now find the Measurement Tools section. Look for an icon that resembles a ruler or percentage tool, then select the Price Range tool from the list. Once selected, go to your chart and click at the starting point of the move you want to measure. If you want to measure a price drop, click at a high point and drag downward. If you want to measure a price increase, click at a low point and drag upward. As you drag, you'll see a box appear showing important details like price change, percentage move, number of candles, and time duration. You can adjust the range anytime by dragging the edges, so don't worry about getting it perfect on the first try. This tool helps you quickly understand how far price has moved, making it easier to analyze trends, compare moves, and plan trades. That's it! You can now measure any price movement directly on your chart using the price range tool. Subscribe for more Tradingview tips and tutorials.